Across fertile farmlands, peanuts begin their transformation journey toward becoming the peanut butter loved worldwide.
The shell density is good on these, and the kernels look plump.
Recording high oil yield and robust flavor notes for this section.
Modern harvesters streamline peanut collection, supporting industrial-scale peanut butter production demands. Selected peanuts are gathered and packed for transport to peanut butter processing facilities. Harvested peanuts leave farms, beginning transformation into the world's favorite peanut butter.
Fresh peanuts arrive from farms, beginning their industrial journey toward becoming creamy, delicious peanut butter. Conveyor systems move peanuts efficiently, maintaining continuous flow into the peanut butter processing operation. Magnetic systems extract metal contaminants, guaranteeing food safety throughout the peanut butter production pipeline.
Stored peanuts await shelling, ensuring uninterrupted supply for continuous, large-scale peanut butter factory production. Industrial shellers crack peanuts precisely, preparing clean kernels for high-quality peanut butter manufacturing processes ahead. Classifiers purify peanut kernels, eliminating light impurities before peanut butter quality sorting begins.
Defect removal safeguards peanut butter quality by eliminating compromised kernels before roasting begins.
Stored kernels await roasting, ensuring steady supply for continuous peanut butter factory production.
Continuous roasting ovens unlock deep flavors essential for premium peanut butter production worldwide.
Roasting releases natural peanut oils, vital for smooth, creamy peanut butter texture.
The color uniformity on this batch is excellent, right within the target L value. Yeah.
Agreed, the roast depth looks perfect for the smooth blend.
Moisture reduction enhances roasted peanut stability, for superior peanut butter consistency.
Roasted peanuts advance toward grinding, where peanut butter finally begins taking form.
Primary grinding transforms roasted peanuts into the first coarse stage of peanut butter paste. Natural peanut oils release fully, forming the creamy base of authentic peanut butter. Crunchy and smooth peanut butter varieties form through controlled particle blending. Finished peanut butter rests in holding tanks, ready for packaging and global distribution.
Homogenization refines peanut butter texture, ensuring smooth stability and long-lasting product consistency.
Flow resistance is consistent with the standard.
Good, let's prepare the next sample.
Flavor calibration guarantees every jar delivers the signature peanut butter taste consumers expect.
Allergen protocols ensure peanut butter production meets international food safety regulations. Quality-approved peanut butter advances toward filling lines for final packaging transformation.
Sterilized jars ensure peanut butter packaging begins under strict hygienic conditions for consumer safety. Dispensing nozzles control peanut butter flow, ensuring clean, efficient jar filling.
Vacuum sealing protects peanut butter from oxidation, ensuring extended product freshness.
Heat coating finalizes peanut butter packaging, ensuring traceability and market readiness. Palletizing consolidates peanut butter shipments for efficient warehouse handling and transport.
container loading prepares peanut butter for international shipping across global markets.
From farm harvest to family tables, peanut butter completes its remarkable production journey.